Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening the full set of Series 28 LEGO minifigures. There's 12 to collect, and this time around it has a theme of animal costumes, which are some of my favorite to do. So if you don't know, they started putting them in the boxes a while back. So you can no longer feel them through the bags they used to be in, but you can download an app called OMG Bricks. Looks like this, and there is a scanner. And if you line it up, it will scan and it tells you. So this should be the lion one. Ooh. And you can go through and literally do that with all of them, and it tells you what's inside. It's very accurate. Haven't had any issue with it. So if you're at Target, you see these, you only want the dog perhaps, download that app, find the dog, and you don't have to waste your money just opening random boxes. So it is a good hack.
Ooh, I want to open.
Oh, sorry. I'll let you open some of them.
Okay.
So,
ooh, it's cracked.
That's good. They don't even put them in bags anymore. There used to be like inner bags, I'm pretty sure. So save on that waste there. But look at the lion's head with his little teeth. He looks angry. So these are the pieces. I'm going to set that aside. Oh, I love the bright green base. Let's look at the checklist real quick. If there's any complicated ones, they do put the instructions on the back. The one I'm looking forward to the most is probably the Goldfish, because that's hilarious to me. We have seen an Easter bunny of sorts before. The alligator's pretty cool. And then, yeah, like I said, if there's more complicated ones or something they feel needs more instruction, it's on the back. So let's build the lion, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I love the face that they put on this minifigure. Like, he's screaming. He's holding a drumstick. There are two different heads, or two different faces printed on the head. So there's also the smirk on the back. But, of course, I like the screaming one. Looks very angry. So now, Raylan, pick a random box. We're not going to scan it, because we're going to be surprised, at least for a moment, at this point.
I think this one might have been the bunny.
The bunny? She thinks it's the bunny.
No, I think it was that one, actually.
Oh, the head went rolling.
It's the
koala.
Oh, I'm getting the head back.
Oh my gosh, it's a boomerang? Or no, are we going to attach? Yeah, it is a boomerang. Okay.
From Australia.
Funny. We're going to build that one. This one also has two faces. This one's perhaps funnier. It has like a sleep mask that has Z's on it. Looks like he's totally conked out. And then the other one. And it does have the short legs on this minifigure. Jackson, which box are we opening next?
This one.
Underneath?
Yeah, he
Making
said it
me
was
dig
a
to the
cat.
bottom. He thinks the cat's in here. Let's see if he's right.
Is he right? Is he right? The game wheel.
It is the Parrot. Okay, that's probably
Little snack box.
cloth thing in there. Oftentimes, if it's cloth, they'll put it in here. Yep, there's like a two-piece thing for that. And oh my gosh, the arms, so cute. For this one, it has a snack box of food. I like that. Two faces again. We have a screamy one. She has bright blue eyeshadow on. And then on the back, just a big smile. And the tail does stick out. That's pretty unique. I like that.
Very cute.
The next box is this one. You think it's a what? A cat?
A cat, or maybe it's the bunny.
And Jackson said it's the monkey. I hope it's the goldfish.
Goldfish.
And
Oh,
it's the monkey. Who said monkey?
Me. Jackson.
Jackson. Winner. This one has a banana. Also two faces. So we have the tongue sticking out. And then we have this one with what looks like a Band-Aid stuck to its face. That's pretty cute. Next, I'm being told to dig to the bottom of the pile and get this one, and it might be a frog.
Something you're terrified of.
I wouldn't say terrified. They're just not. Oh my gosh, is it the frog? It is the frog. That's so funny. He didn't even scan it. He's just guessing. Oh, the head's really cute though. The frog comes with bubbles, and this has like a pearlescent finish to it, so you can kind of see it shining. Slight tint of purple. And then of course his lips They're positioned like he's blowing bubbles, some printing on the back, smiley face as an option. Super cute. And this head didn't come with it, but it came from a whale that was in a LEGO Batman movie set. And essentially it would work for any of the minifigures. It's just a giant open mouth. So that's kind of funny if you want to swap it out. So now, this next one makes us halfway through. What do you think's in there? You're going to predict?
Dolphin.
I said the dolphin.
I still haven't seen my goldfish that I want so much. I already know it's going to be my favorite.
Oh, I think that's it.
No,
it is
it's not.
not.
Oh, the peacock. Okay. This one has like a flower you build with it. Should be pretty easy. This one is very vibrant and bright and appears to have a sunflower with it on the side. Smirking face. That's pretty okay. Does it have two heads? Yes, it does. And then that's the second expression on the back. All right. Which one's the goldfish, guys?
It's my turn.
Okay, pick one.
This one.
Come on, goldfish. It is the dolphin. Is there a dolphin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll say dolphin or a whale. It has a very flipper face. Dolphin has some cool shades on. I do like this. The jewel in there, again, kind of has that pearlescent finish on it. Cute. And then the face on the back looks like that. There are only 4 more left. Which one's the goldfish?
I feel like
Oh,
this
Jackson's holding one. Let's see if you are right.
That
Yes,
was.
finally the goldfish. He has the funniest little face with his mouth perfectly open like they do when they're breathing and eating. It's so funny. This one comes with fish food. It has the shorter legs, has some goldish scales printed on there. Super happy looking face. Oh my gosh, this is just so funny to me, the face. And then on the back, a little bit of a smirk. Definitely my favorite. They're all pretty cute so far. All right, Raylin, which one? We have 4 left.
I
Some of
can
them
pick
do have
2 more.
extra pieces.
I'm gonna go with this one.
This one, are you hoping it's the cat?
Yeah.
It is the Dalmatian.
Ooh, that's so good.
I like the face for this one. He's panting and there's like a sweat drip coming down. He has his gold dog tag, a frisbee. In the back, kind of a mischievous smirk. 3 more. Which one is the cat? You're picking that one? Okay.
It's not.
So we have Crocodile still, a cat, and the bunny.
This might be the top one. Yes!
Oh, yeah, it is a cat. It took me a second. I'm like, what is that? We have a white cat with a yarn ball, pink heart collar. She has a little sleepy face on. And then the back, the mischievous face. I like that one. That's adorable.
Yeah.
So he thinks this one's the crocodile. That's probably going to be my second favorite from the series. Yep, you did good guessing with that. So that one has the rubber ducky in the pool noodle. That's a really cool piece.
So the last one.
Yeah, I love the inner tube. It's cut out right here so we can hold it. And I don't think they've used that piece before. I really like that. So the rubber ducky too, adorable. Winky face. And then kind of mischievous face. Yeah, that's definitely my second favorite. But let's take a look at the very last one.
I think that's the bunny.
It has to be the bunny, right? Process of elimination.
Yeah.
It is the Easter bunny. This one is pretty cute. So typically in the past with the bunny ears, they're both sticking up like that. This one's bent over, and I like that added touch. That's pretty cute. The Easter egg has tulips painted on it. Empty Easter baskets, same kind of style we've seen before. Winky face. The cotton ball tail on the back, and then a super happy face. So that is adorable. Can't wait for the next series. I think they're just going to be like a generic one. They're not going to have a theme. But my top 3 goldfish, Crocodile.
And cat.
I might have to go lion. I thought the lion was pretty funny.
Here, can I put my order?
Of course.
Okay, fish, koala,
And cat?
dolphin, cat.
Oh, top 4. Okay. Well, leave me a comment. Let me know what are your top 3.
Actually,
And if you like seeing LEGO minifigures, we've collected all the series throughout the year, so you could go back and watch previous ones or subscribe and stick around. And we will do the next series when it's out in a few more months. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.